look at it. It's coming down. Did you realize we're going to have a blizzard today? No, not at all. I'm glad I stayed close to where we were shopping. Yeah, me too. Let's turn on the news.
Always watching out for you. This is a First Alert 5 weather alert.
Hello everyone, this is meteorologist Sam Schreier. This storm has turned destructive and life-threatening. Now let's explain exactly what is going on. We have registered a 97-mile-per-hour gust. That is over in the Colorado...
97 miles per hour? There's no way I can get home tonight. I better call and check on the kid. Yeah, me too. Lily's great. I'm sure we have nothing to worry about. Yeah, there's no way that we can get back out tonight. So, here's a big question. Yeah, what is it? Do you want wine or hot chocolate? How about both? Perfect answer. Besides, we have the whole night. And let's see. Movie? Popcorn? How does that sound? Excellent. Girls' night. Yay! I hate being snowed in, but everyone's safe. We're warm.